Okay, got the Ultem target, 8 inches, same setup, lowered it a little bit for our last discovery. Igniter on, 3, 2, 1, fire! Well, it definitely self-extinguishes pretty well. But boy, it is seen better days, I guess. Pretty safe on the other side. Not bad. So, yeah, the high temperature stuff seems to be doing high temperature things. I suppose that's what you want. Torch this one a little bit more. With 2 igniters now. How'd you like that one? Because the ABS and acrylic is still on fire. That's hilarious. Alright, that concludes testing. Let me know what you guys think.